Lion L26BK Black High Temperature Silicone Gasket Maker provides superior leak control, torque retention, flexibility and resistance to oil and fluids. It is also designed to replace most traditional cork, felt, and rubber gaskets. Lion High Temperature Silicone Gasket Makers can be used in a variety of applications, including valve covers, oil pans, water pumps, thermostats, transmission pans, and more. First, clean and dry all surfaces completely, removing all dirt and grease. Next, remove the tube and nozzle from the package. Using the cap, puncture a hole in the top of the tube. After screwing back the nozzle, cut the nozzle to the desired bead size. Finally, apply silicone in a continuous bead. Although the silicone will cure in 1 hour, allow 24 hours for full cure and strength. Be sure to read all directions and safety precautions on the back of the card. And always consult with a professional before use of any product. Drive with confidence with the strength of Lion.